Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the Hey Copilot voice activation feature on Windows 11 so you can launch and talk to Copilot completely hands-free. Let's get right into it. Start by opening Copilot on your PC. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the C key together, and Copilot will pop right up. You can also just click the Copilot icon if it's on your taskbar. Once it opens, look for the button that says Open Sidebar in the top left corner and click it so the full menu slides out. Now look down to the bottom right corner of the sidebar where your profile icon appears. Click that and the small menu will appear. Choose the option that says Settings to open the Copilot Settings panel. Inside the settings, scroll until you find the section called Voice Mode. Under that section, you'll see an option that says Listen for Hey Copilot to start a conversation. Turn that switch on and the feature will activate immediately. Once it's enabled, you can just say Hey Copilot anytime your computer is awake, and your Windows assistant will start listening for your command without you clicking anything. That's all you need to do. It's quick, simple, and makes Copilot way more convenient to use. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.